The principle of learning that is the most powerful is the ability to transfer new information into other situations. According to Madeline Hunter, transfer is the basis of all creativity, problem solving, and the making of satisfying decisions. It is the ultimate goal of teaching and learning. One way to promote positive transfer and retention of new information is through journal writing. Research shows that journal writing helps students connect to their past, build connections to the content, and share their thoughts and ideas with others in a non-threatening way. It is more effective when done using pencil and paper as opposed to digitally, because writing requires the brain to do more thought processing and summarizing of the content. Teachers can choose to have students write in journals several times a week as lesson starters or at the close of a lesson. While this may take some class time, the gain in student understanding and retention will be worth it. The great thing about journal writing is that any and all subject areas can incorporate this activity, and it's easy to get started. Teachers can use journals to help students connect to the content and turn present learning into future success. Check out the hundreds of online resources available for journal prompt ideas related to different curriculum areas. Journal writing also supports building goals related to writing across the curriculum. Want to help make sure your students have the right stuff? Then launch journal writing in your own classroom.